Hello and good day, this is Damien from FixWinPC, and in today's video we are going to install Google Play services on the Amazon FireHD10 tablet. So first we're going to unbox the tablet, take it out of its nice bright orange casing. We're going to take it out, you're going to see it's just a simple tablet. Get rid of the documentation, of course. They packed it with a USB cable, which we will need later, and a charging port. We can always use that. So you see, just a regular 10-inch tablet, nice build, nicely packaged. And now we're going to remove that and get the raw tablet out. Next thing we're going to apply is a screen protector. So now as I'm preparing the screen, we're going to apply the screen protector now. Carefully align it so that it lines up properly. And now I'll put my specially designed leveling weight so that it evenly spreads and connects to the screen, leaving no air bubbles. Try an improving technique. Alright, then we give it an additional wipe to make sure everything is okay. And now we go on to the tablet where we make some updates, and while we're waiting for it to update, it takes a little while, so I'll just skip ahead. And once the updates are done, we are subject to Amazon's commercial, which we must endure, but I will not let you endure that. So now we just make a few customizations. Most of the things I skip because we're gonna kind of not use most of these services anyway. If you are, you can go ahead and select them and configure them as you need, but I am not, so I'm just going to skip right ahead. And so now we get to the interface.
Hello.
Just move Alexa away from what I'm about to do. Disable it. There you go. So now we go into settings. This is where we're going to prep our tablet for what we're about to do. You go to device options, and on device options you'll see a page. You're going to go to about Fire tablet, and now we're going to tap the serial number several times to get into developer mode. Now on regular Android tablets you tap the build number, but we use serial number here. Now that we have developer options, we just select that, we turn on developer options. We're gonna get a little warning, we're gonna hit OK, and after we hit OK we're going to turn on USB debugging. Just go down, look for USB debugging and turn it on, and then we also get a warning, you hit OK. Once you've done the previous steps and you've enabled USB debugging and you've connected to your laptop, now you're going to install the Fire Toolbox version 17.1, and let me show you where you get that from. I will leave a link in the description also. So you will go to this website, the website and link, and you get there, you get to here, you just scroll all the way down. It'll give you instructions and tell you what it is about and all that. You just scroll all the way down until you get to the downloads, and you install using the mirror. The mirror will give you a zip file which you then unzip, and from that unzipped file you will get the toolbox. So I already downloaded it and installed it, and run the zip file as administrator, let it run, do its thing, and then you get this on your desktop. So we will just launch now. It starts looking for your tablet, and the ADB debugging mode is supposed to be on. Alright. Asking to authorize your device. This wants us to unlock the tablet. Alright, so it locked while I was doing this. Let me unlock it now. And then there's an authorization on your tablet which you have to select OK. And now you get into here. Now what I am going to do basically is get rid of the excessive amount of Amazon apps. We're going to install Google Play Store so we can install what we want. And I'm also going to put some custom launchers on there, and then I'm going to take away those lock screen ads that are quite annoying, like you saw in the beginning, the ad that popped up to tell us about the tablet. So let's start. So the first thing we're going to do is install Google services. Execute tool, it'll start download, let us do its thing. Right, at this time on your tablet, you would observe that it says Google Play and it's asking you to sign in. But what it says here is wait to sign at least 10 minutes. So that'll give us time to do the rest of things and then probably do some settings before we sign into Google Play and start downloading apps. So we just close this out. And also, very important tip, it will remind you to disable over-the updates, because if you don't, when the tablet updates from Amazon, it'll rewrite all of this and bring it back to the Amazon state, and you just have to do it over again. So just disable the updates. Alright, we're going to move a little quicker here now. So after we're done with Google services, the next thing we're going to de-bloat. So management apps, go to that, drop down, standard de-bloat, execute. Alright, let's hit OK. It's good. So once we've done that, next thing we're going to get at is lock screen management. Take off that, and only thing we're going to interfere with here is removing the ads. I'm going to run that, execute the tool, the warning, yes. Alright, that is good. Now we go back to the screen and I'm going to install the custom launcher. Now I'm doing this for my children, so I already done 2 others. This is the last one. So I just install all the launchers and they will choose whichever one they want. So I'll start with the Nova launcher, disable Fire launcher because we don't want that to come up. Alright, that is good, and we'll go to custom launcher again. I'm going to repeat this a few times. I'll speed this up so you don't have to suffer with me. Alright, now that we've done the work, that's pretty much it. Just remember, if you've done it quickly enough, you still have a few minutes before you can sign into Google. So in the meantime, we're gonna just get this put into the casing with the keyboard, link also in the description. Right, so now we are going to prep this tablet for the installation of the Wi-Fi keyboard. So we're just giving it a nice little clean wipe from our fingerprints from earlier. And you see I have the keyboard in a box, so we're just going to unbox it now. Alright, as you can see, it comes packaged very nicely. And now as we take it out, it's a sturdy build, it feels very solid in the hand. So we're just going to remove the packaging, and we'll remove all the insulation, sorry. Now it just simply slides in, perfect fit, no hassle, no fuss. Alright, and now we power it on. Now we're going to use the touchscreen on the tablet and enable the Bluetooth from the keyboard. So we start up the Bluetooth, we long press to get in. We put the Bluetooth in fine mode, and then we turn on the keyboard. Then we use the function on the Bluetooth button to make the keyboard findable. The tablet will find the keyboard. All we have to do is tap on it to confirm. It will start pairing, and then once it's successfully paired, you can now begin to use the keyboard. You see the keyboard works very well. You can type in things on the Google search and any other thing that you want to do with the keyboard. So now the tablet basically has the function of a laptop.